JACKCUBE Design Monitor Riser Desktop Computer Laptop Stand Desk Organizer Holder for Home Office Table, Black, MK280C. It can organize desk kinds of stuff like books, pens, glasses, pens, mugs, bottles, office supplies, photos, pictures and etc. Strong laminate shelf and steel frame can support a large variety of devices including a computer monitor, laptop, all-in-one computer, printer, and other devices. It can create additional workspace to organize a tablet, laptop, charging station, smartphone, office supplies, keyboard, USB hub, computer mouse, cable, headset holder, speaker, and more. Sleek and modern looking, the stand simplifies and organizes your desk while maintaining a clean functional style. Designed to match Macs, iMacs, and MacBooks and any computers you want. Size 25.9x7x7 inches. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.